Hi guys, I want to tell you about a little program that I've been using for my computer here, for my Windows computer. I believe it's also available on Macs. The program that I've been using is called If This Then That. Post that up here. And it is a program that knows when you post it to YouTube, and then it will actually post to another program. It's a program that will post on your behalf to other social media sites. For example, when I post to YouTube, if I tell it I want you to post to Twitter as well, the entire title that I posted to YouTube plus a link, it will do that. But you have to go in and choose all those apps. What you have to do is you have to sign up with your Facebook account, you have to sign up with your Twitter account, and then ultimately you have to sign up with your YouTube account. So it knows when you post to YouTube, and then it will choose whatever other media source, what other social media source that you've chosen. So if I've chosen, whenever I post to YouTube, I also want it to post to Facebook and to post to Twitter. That might be two different apps that I actually have to choose, but it gives you that ability. Basically, it's your digital automated assistant. So if you choose to use If This Then That, or IFTTT, then it's going to make your life easier. I've started using it over the last couple of days, and trust me, I think it's great because it automatically posts to the other social media platforms instead of me actually having to go in there and post it each time that I want to make an announcement that, hey guys, look, I made a new video, come take a look at my video. It does it automatically. I just started using it, and there's a bunch of different apps that you can use. So have fun trying the different apps. You can get the app, you can use the app, or you could take that app away. You can turn it off or on. As long as you've signed up for the other social media, again, like say Twitter, you sign up with Twitter, or you want to go into Facebook, you sign up with Facebook as well as having the main app, which is going to be YouTube, or vice versa. Anytime you post to Facebook, you want it to post to other media sources. Side note, Rick's Review is also on Instagram and Twitter, and I just opened up a Pinterest the other day. So if you wanted to go visit those sites as well, you can go visit those sites. So give it a try. Go over to If This Then That and sign up for it. It's all free. It's a lifesaver. It saves time and it saves you money, because if it can save you time, it will save you money.